What's up YouTube? Jeff, your style OG. On today's video, I've got a 100,000 subscriber giveaway and we're gonna unbox this bad boy, the silver play button. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends, the whole Style OG family, salute. Now, of course, today's video is a very special video, one I'm very happy to share with all of you guys that have been riding with me for a little over 2-year journey that it took us to get to the 100,000 subscriber mark. And as you can see, we got the 100,000 subscribers silver play button in the mail today. And I didn't want to open it without sharing it with you, the Style OG family. And not only am I going to unbox this with you today, I've got a special giveaway to thank all of you guys for riding with me since March of 2017. I'm a little under the weather today, so please bear with me, but trust me, I'm very, very excited. Now, like I said, not only are we going to unbox the silver play button, I've got a giveaway that I'm going to explain to you after we unbox the button. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Now, as you may or may not realize, we reached 100,000 on April 12th, 2019. Took a little bit more than 2 years. The channel started on March 3rd of 2017. So thanks to all of you guys out there that watched every video, shared, subscribed, liked, we've gotten to this far. So let's open up this box and see what we got in here. On the card, it says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Rick, salute to you." So let's see what we have here. Now on the letter, it says you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astounding 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you in all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. I can't pronounce it. A little tough right there. The CEO of YouTube. So thank you, Susan. And like the letter said, man, 100,000 people, it's a lot of numbers, but when I film these videos, man, I think like I'm talking to one of you guys one-on-one. It's you on your phone, you on your laptop, you on your iPad, wherever you watch it, it's just you and me talking. So although the 100,000 is a great number, it's a great milestone, I appreciate every single person that makes up the Style OG family. So let's take a look at it real close. Let's pull this bad boy out. And I really feel like, man, I'm sharing this with you guys. Of course, I didn't do this on my own. I always say this is our channel. So we got 100,000 subscribers. So take a look at that bad boy. We did it, family. We did it. It says, presented to the Style OG for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now, in celebration of the 100,000 subscribers, I wanted to do a giveaway. And I got a special one for you guys. I partnered with one of my frequent partners, Idris Premium Footwear. We're gonna give away 2 pairs of shoes. That's right, the company that you see me do the video on about these beautiful Chelsea boots. And of course, this limited edition double monk strap oxblood, designed specially by your guy, the Style OG. We're still putting the finishing touches on it. It's gonna be coming soon. A limited edition, only 50 pairs. Stay tuned for that. So for the giveaway, I've teamed with Idris. 2 of you guys out there are gonna win a pair of shoes, any pair of shoes on the site, a value up to $300. That's right, up to $300. You can get a boot, You can get sneakers, you can get some dress shoes, monk straps, wing tips, everything's covered. Like I said, I just want to give you guys a token of my appreciation. And it's real easy for you to enter. All you have to do, 3 things. Of course, number 1, you gotta be subscribed to the StyleOG channel. Number 2, in the comment section of this video, put your shoe size. And third, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to Idris that'll take you to the website and you can enter the giveaway. That's all you have to do. Subscribe to the channel, put your shoe size in the comment section, head over to thestyleog through the link I'm gonna give you to enter the giveaway. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to thank each and every one of you that helped me accomplish this major milestone for the StyleOG YouTube channel, and we got way more to go. This is just the start. But I'm so thankful, so humble, and so honored that you choose to spend 6-7 minutes of your day with me. I know you could be doing anything else, but you choose to be with the StyleOG. And I really appreciate that. I don't take any of you for granted. So make sure you hit the link in the description, enter the giveaway. A week from today, I'm gonna do a live video announcing the winners of the 2 pair of shoes from Idris. So make sure you stay tuned. A week from now, you're gonna see who copped $300 worth of shoes. And as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. You know it helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.